Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today we're going to be working on our Acura Integra project car. It's time to install some new racing bucket seats from NRG, some new black carpet, new floor mats, new shift boot, e-brake boot, and handle.
How dope is it gonna look?
Oh, it's going to look the most dope. Doper than soap. Okay, before we can get started on the fun stuff, we got to remove everything from the trunk. So let's get started. Oh, and power steering pump. The black carpet. All right, now that I removed everything from the trunk, it's time to remove this carpet that's right here and try not to die. Oh, frick. All right, now it's time to remove the front seats. Boom. There we go. Now that everything is out, time to take the carpet out. Carpet is disgusting. This is the ECU. This is what controls the motor, but it's supposed to be mounted over here, not over here.
Why do you think they did that?
I have no idea. All right, so when we got this car, the ignition switch and the door unlock switches, or whatever you want to call them, did not match up. We only had the key to start the car, but upon tearing out the carpet, I have found something. Now we have both. So this is pretty sick. So before we put in the new carpet, I want to clean it, shampoo it, and then paint it black with some vinyl and fabric paint just to give it that extra touch. So this is what we're doing. Now that the carpet is clean and dry, time to paint.
That's very clearly a fundamental breakthrough which changes the whole destiny of mankind.
Alrighty then, now that the carpet is painted and dried, it is time to put it in the car. Blah, blah. All right, now it's time to put together our new NRG racing chairs. Now it's time for sponsor chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. Oh hey, If you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. Now that the front of the interior is finished, now it's time to work on the rear. I'm essentially turning this into a two-seater because I'm
Pretty tall.
so I had to move the seat back, so there's essentially no back seat anymore. It's completely useless. So I'm just turning this into a two-seater. So I'm gonna remove these seat belts and the ones down there, and then just put the interior back in place and just flap the carpet over, and it'll look just like a two-seater. It'll look freaking awesome. There we go. Here we go. And that's in. Boom. Now it's a two-seater. All right, the new carpet is cleaned and painted, put in the car along with the new NRG Racing bucket seats and the new floor mats, and it looks so good. It's just a great place to be in general. The seats also give me a lot more leg room. I'm freakishly tall. I'm pretty tall. Have you ever replaced the seats in your car? And if you have, let us know how that went in the comments below. This one was a little challenging, but we still had fun. See you in the next one. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.